Research doesn't have to be time-consuming. With Liner, you can save hours by streamlining your workflow. Liner's Copilot helps you digest web articles twice as fast by providing instant summaries and answering your questions. To start using Copilot, first, download Liner's browser extension. You'll find the link in the description. When you come across a long article, get a quick summary before diving in. Simply click the summary button, and Liner will provide a concise overview, helping you decide if it's worth reading in full. If you have a question about a specific sentence, just drag and ask. Liner will generate an answer based on the article's content. Copilot works for YouTube videos too. Get a summary of an entire video, or ask questions about specific parts to understand key points faster. Liner's Copilot is a game changer for students and anyone who frequently reads long articles. Here's how different users use this feature. Claire, a law school student, needs to read lengthy court cases, so she summarizes them with Copilot to get an overview before diving into the full text. Joseph, a graduate student, comes across an unfamiliar concept in a research article. He drags the sentence and asks Liner for a simple explanation. Liner takes your research to the next level by giving you reliable information and transparent sources. Research smarter with Liner.